slow. Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in.
Hey guys, it's Sunday afternoon and I'm tired. I was with GS all day yesterday. White balance. I was with GS yesterday. We went to DMCC round 1. It was fun. I got a couple of new contracts, so here's a couple of clips actually. Well, we just finished the media meeting. So expect the video to come out maybe next week, maybe the week after, I'm not too sure yet. Yeah, it was real fun. GS had a little bit of technical issues at the end, but what you gonna do? First event out, first time trying out the new setup, the new engine, the new tune. Everything went well with the tune, so it's all good. So right now, I just decided I'm gonna put the tranny down and change the flywheel, because come with me. Altiza, we got the lightweight flywheel. Lightweight, but I mean it's still like 16 pounds. The stock one's like 31, I think. So we're gonna put in the let's do a thumbnail. Alright, so I'm gonna put in the flywheel, but to do that first I need to drop down the tranny, so let's do it. Oh, just to let you guys know, I'm not going to stay in a stash tonight. It's just I'm way too tired. I was out for 24 hours. Left Saturday morning at 2 a.m. from my house. I went to bed Friday night at midnight. So I got like 1.5 hours, 2 hours of sleep max. Went to DMCC and then I got back home yesterday around 2:30. So I was up for like over 24 hours. Got up this afternoon at 12? Or was it 11? Anyway, it's like 3 now. I've just been sitting down watching videos on YouTube and just relaxing because I'm really tired. Next Sunday, I believe it's the 3rd, I'm not sure. Is it the 3rd? Anyway, the 3rd. There's an event at St. Eustache. I like to go test out the car. And if everything is good, then the weekend after, I want to go do Shannonville. I'll probably just do a 1 day, just because I probably won't bring much tires. I'll probably just more like go shake down the car on the track and have some fun and go chill with my homies. I mean, there's still a lot of summer left, a lot of drifting left, and my budget is pretty limited right now. But you know, things are looking up, so let's do it. I'm gonna start dropping the tranny and get ready to swap the flywheel. So I think I might have found out why my power steering was not working very good. You can see this hose right here. The clamp is loose and liquid's coming out. So I don't know if there's still any. There's still liquid in here, but I guess air was getting into the system through the return, or the oil was leaking. I don't see any oil that was leaking. Actually, that's not true. Sometimes when I was gunning it to go initiate, I'd see some like smoke come inside the car, and I was wondering what that was. That was probably oil escaping, hitting the headers, and the smoke coming inside the car. So yeah, I don't know. I still don't know if I'm gonna replace the pump. I might just remove it. I don't know yet. No idea. So I got most of the bolts out. I'm only missing 3. You can see the engine's tilted on the firewall right now. There's 3 bolts at the top that are being a bitch. Took the exhaust off. I think it's safe to say I had a little leak there. And I also have another one right there. This whole bead there, I welded it when it was underneath the car with no space, so I'm glad I'm taking it off to fix that. I'm just gonna show you the contraption that I made. I took the bushing off the tranny, lowered the tranny all the way it can go, and then I got my impact. And I don't know if you can see, that is all extension right there. All the way to the bottom. I think I got like 6 extensions. Oh yeah, there's the bolt. Here's all my extensions. I gotta do the same thing on the other side. Wiggle that loose. All my extensions. Woo! Ooh-wee! So transmission is out. I'm gonna take the opportunity to make sure I put enough oil on this little bad boy. It takes 2 liters. And I believe I only put 1.5. So I'm just gonna take the drain, not the drain plug, the fill plug out. Just keep putting oil in it until it's full, and then it should be good. I just gotta remember not to remove the drive shaft. By the way, if you guys are looking for a custom drive shaft in the Ottawa region, hit up Ottawa Drive Shaft and Steering. Talk to Sean Maynard. He'll hook you up. Yeah, this is my 3rd custom drive shaft. And I am super pleased with it. I mean, there's nothing to say. It's a drive shaft. It'll handle way more power than stock. And yeah, awesome. Thank you. Now let's install this flywheel. So I started taking apart the flywheel, and I'm just going to go and show you guys why I'm going to a solid flywheel instead of this dual mass 30-pound bitch. Okay. Hard to get camera angles in here. Alright, look at this. So, this is the pressure plate, and this is the flywheel. Got your clutch disc inside. I only took out 3 bolts, but this is the slack that's in a dual mass. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. The flywheel's not moving. So every time I give a clutch kick, it has that much slack in it. So I clutch kick, and this absorbs most of the, yeah, that's not good. Just took a little break here. We're, I can do a burnout with my lips. So, Fred just warming up his axles. We're gonna film a little video for his channel. And yeah, just gonna move my Subaru. Saw, dude. Well, that was interesting.
Sad, dude.
Alright, I gotta go put my tranny back. Yeah?
Come on.
No, put ça là.
Yeah.
The best part of Fred's burnout is his pajama pants.
I thought that today. Vader, man. That's legit.
Oh yeah. Alright, so transmission is back in the car. So you guys can see, the shifter is right there. Drive shaft is all put back in and bolted up to the new Altezza diff, so I'm glad that everything's bolted up. Everything works good. Engine's back. The only thing I need to do to finish is I gotta put my headers back in with my downpipe. Look at this contraption that I made here. So stock headers to a custom Y pipe that I made, and this is all new. And then basically JD's exhaust that he had made. So I'm gonna call this my headers downpipe. It's a 4-2-to-1. So that I can take out of the car anytime I want, put it back in through the top. Then we have my mid pipe that goes all the way there. And then we have my exhaust that goes all the way back. I'm really glad that I took the time to take that flywheel out and change it. Because I mean, that was going to break real soon. I don't know how these flywheels are made, but that's not good. Probably going to put some oil in that diff right there. That's the one that was in the car. It was actually a 3.9 with a TRD LSD. So I'm just going to get some oil for that. It had shockproof lightweight shockproof oil in it. I'll have to see what's compatible with the Toyota LSDs and order myself some oil for that, because I want to bring it as a spare just in case this Altezza diff blows up for some reason. Yeah, so that's it for tonight. Tomorrow night I'm going to do the exhaust, and then maybe I'll go do a donut. I'm also thinking of changing my upload schedule. It used to be always every Monday, but now I'm thinking of doing every Wednesday, just because it gives me more time to get better footage. So if I get footage on Monday for the video, it's all good.
Yay!
Why is that gay?
I don't know.
Everybody tell Fred to stop smoking, because that's gay.
Yeah, that's gay, I know.
Yeah. Right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys. So, I didn't think I'd be doing this, but I took off the intake to fix my valve cover leak, and then I had to take this cover off to take the valve cover off, and I was taking it off, I saw the timing belt was all old and cracked, so ride out, serpentine belt out, clutch fan removed, and now I'm removing the whole front case because I gotta do a timing belt. Yeah.
949. So, timing belt. Also notice a little loose here. That's probably normal because it's not under compression, and the rest of the timing belt is tight. Sodded. So I mean, it's just a little preventative.
Today, Junior.
It's a little bit of maintenance, just because like I'm going to be towing all summer. So, valve cover gasket, timing belt. I'm going to rust proof the whole engine bay. If this engine ever goes, I'm definitely just going to put an LS in there, or a LT, whatever, the truck LS. But yeah, such a lot easier work on this than a BMW. Yeah, the only hard part was the AC compressor. I had to completely take off the bracket. But yeah.
The hell are you doing?
Swapping a 4G63.
Sure.
No. I took off because I was taking to do the valve cover, and I noticed the timing belt was a little cracked, and so.
You gonna be ordering a new timing belt?
Yeah.
Is it hard to change all?
Not really.
It's an easy job.
It's a lot easier than working on a Beamer. I can tell you that.
Take the whole front cover off though.
So I can get the timing belt.
Okay, you decided to do the timing belt anyways.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the timing belt. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.